Running a small business is one of the hardest and most rewarding things a person can do. I have seen it time and time again. A person has a great idea, a strong work ethic, and a dream. They pour their heart and soul into building something from nothing. But passion alone does not guarantee success. I once met a baker whose cakes were the talk of the town, yet her business was always on the brink of collapse. Why? She never knew where her money was truly going. Real sustainable growth is built on a solid financial foundation. It requires a clear plan, and that plan starts with budgeting. Without a budget, you are flying blind. You are the business owner. You are the captain of the ship. Your job is to steer your business toward a specific destination, which is growth and profitability. You would not get on a ship without a map and a compass. A budget is your financial map. It tells you where you are, where you want to go, and how you are going to get there. It is the tool that transforms hope into a concrete plan of action. This commitment to planning is the first step toward building a business that lasts for generations. A strong partnership with a financial expert can provide the accuracy you need to navigate with confidence. Many business owners think budgeting is about restriction. They see it as a set of rules telling them what they cannot do. That is the wrong way to look at it. A budget is about freedom. It is about giving every dollar a name and a purpose before the month begins. This simple act gives you control over your money instead of letting your money control you. When you have control, you have options. You can plan for expansion, invest in new equipment, or hire more help. This is the path to intentional growth, not accidental survival. True growth starts with this discipline. This essay will guide you through the essential steps of building a financial plan that fuels your business. We will talk about budgeting in plain language, forecasting, managing cash flow, being smart about taxes. We will also explore professional bookkeeping services, especially those offering a true partnership, which can provide the accuracy and insight needed to scale with confidence. Your business has incredible potential. Let's build a budget that helps you unlock it. This is not about complex theories. It is about practical steps for real-world growth. A budget is simply a plan for your money. That's it. It is not scary and it is not complicated. You tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. For a business, this means creating a zero-based budget. You list all your expected income for the month. Then you list all your expenses, rent, payroll, marketing, supplies. The goal is to make your income minus your expenses equal zero. Every single dollar has a job. This approach forces you to be intentional with your spending and ensures no money is wasted. This is the foundation of financial accuracy. Think of it like building a house. You would not just start buying lumber and nails without a blueprint. A budget is the blueprint for your business's financial health. It helps you see potential problems before they become full-blown crises. You might notice your marketing spend is not bringing in enough new customers. Or you might see that a particular service is not as profitable as you thought. With a clear budget, you can make adjustments quickly. This kind of proactive management is what separates struggling businesses from thriving ones. This is how you build momentum for growth. Your budget is also a powerful communication tool. If you have a team, sharing parts of the budget helps everyone understand the company's goals. When your team sees how their work contributes to the bottom line, they become more engaged. They start looking for ways to save money, increase sales. It creates a culture of ownership and shared responsibility. This sense of partnership within your own company is a massive driver of success. A budget aligns everyone toward the common goal of healthy, sustainable growth. It builds a team that cares about the numbers. Finally, a budget empowers you to make decisions with confidence. Should you hire that new salesperson? Can you afford to upgrade your technology? Your budget has the answers. When you know your numbers inside and out, you are not guessing anymore. You are making strategic choices based on facts and data. This is how you scale your business without taking on foolish risks. The accuracy of your budget gives you the courage to move forward. Building a habit of budgeting is the single most important step you can take for the long-term growth of your business. Once you have a solid budget, the next step is forecasting. If a budget is your plan for this month, a forecast is your best guess about the next several months, even the next year. It is not a fantasy. It is an educated prediction based on your past performance, your knowledge of the market. You look at your sales from last year during the same period. You consider any new clients you have signed. You think about seasonal trends. This process helps you anticipate your future income and expenses, which is crucial for planning your growth. Forecasting is done in simple, logical steps. First, you review your historical financial data. Pull up your profit and loss statements from the last 1 to 2 years. Look for patterns in your revenue and your spending. Second, identify your business's key drivers. For a coffee shop, this might be the number of customers per day. For a consulting firm, it might be the number of billable hours. Understanding what drives your revenue helps you make a more accurate forecast. This focus on accuracy is essential for making your forecast a reliable tool instead of a simple wish list. Next, you layer in what you know about the future. Are you planning a big marketing campaign in the spring? Your forecast should show an increase in marketing expenses and hopefully a corresponding increase in sales a few weeks later. Are you losing a major client next quarter? Your forecast needs to reflect that drop in income so you can plan for it. This is where your expertise as a business owner shines. The numbers tell part of the story, but your insight completes the picture. This is where a strong partnership with a financial expert can help you see things you might miss. A good forecast is your early warning system. It helps you see cash shortages before they happen, allowing you to arrange a line of credit or delay a large purchase. It also helps you spot opportunities. If you see a few months of strong cash flow coming up, you know it is a good time to invest in that new equipment that will make your team more efficient. Forecasting turns reactive panic into proactive planning. It is an essential tool for any business owner who is serious about long-term growth and stability. You have probably heard the saying, "Cash is king." In small business, that is the absolute truth. You can have plenty of sales and be technically profitable on paper, but if you do not have cash in the bank to pay your bills, you are in trouble. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of your business. Managing it well is not just important, it is a matter of survival. Many businesses fail not because they are not profitable, but because they run out of cash. You must watch your cash flow on a daily and on a weekly basis. Positive cash flow happens when the money coming into your business from customers is greater than the money going out for expenses. Negative cash flow is the opposite, and it's a situation you want to avoid. Your goal is to maintain positive cash flow as consistently as possible. This starts with diligent invoicing. Send your invoices out the moment a job is done. Do not wait. Clearly state the payment terms and the due date. Follow up politely but firmly on any overdue payments. A sale is not a sale until the money is in your bank account. On the other side of the equation is managing your outflows. Look at your bills and see when they are due. Can you schedule your payments to better align with when you get paid by your customers? For example, if you know a big check is coming on the 15th, try to schedule your major bill payments for the 16th or later. This is not about avoiding your bills, it is about intelligently timing them. A strong partnership with a bookkeeper can help you create a cash flow calendar, giving you a clear view of your financial obligations and ensuring accuracy in your planning. A cash flow statement, income statement, balance sheet. It shows you exactly where your cash came from and where it went over a period of time. Reviewing this statement regularly helps you understand the cash cycle of your business. It allows you to plan for large expenses and build up a cash reserve for emergencies. Mastering cash flow gives you breathing room and the stability needed for confident growth. It is a non-negotiable skill for every business owner. But you don't have to do it alone. Partnering with a dedicated financial team, like the experts at FSMC, can transform your cash flow management from a daily stress into a strategic advantage. Let us help you build that solid financial foundation. For many small business owners, taxes are one of their biggest, most frustrating expenses. It can feel like you work the first few months of the year just to pay Uncle Sam. But what if you could legally and ethically reduce that burden? That is what tax efficiency is all about. It is not about cheating or hiding money. It is about understanding the complex tax code and using all the legitimate deductions, credits, and strategies available to you. Every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar you can reinvest back into your business. That is money for marketing, hiring, new equipment, or even paying yourself more. The first step toward tax efficiency is meticulous record keeping. You cannot deduct an expense if you cannot prove you paid for it. This is where professional bookkeeping becomes invaluable. A good bookkeeper will use bookkeeping software to track every single transaction and categorize it correctly. They will make sure you have digital receipts for everything. This accuracy is your best defense in an audit and your best tool for maximizing your deductions. You need to track business mileage, home office expenses, meals with clients, and every other potential write-off. Do not leave money on the table. Next, you need to plan for taxes throughout the year, not just in April. A great bookkeeper or accountant will help you set up a system to set aside a percentage of your income each month for your estimated tax payments. This avoids that gut-wrenching moment when you get a massive, unexpected tax bill. This proactive approach transforms tax time from a stressful fire drill into a calm, organized process. This level of planning is a hallmark of a mature, well-run business. A partnership with a financial pro ensures you are always prepared. Finally, a knowledgeable professional can help you with tax strategy. Choosing the right business structure, like an S-corp to save on self-employment taxes. Timing large purchases for depreciation. Setting up a retirement plan, like a SEP IRA. These strategies can save you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars a year. That is real money that you can use to accelerate your business's growth. Smart tax planning is a powerful growth engine. Are you ready to turn your tax burden into a growth opportunity? Let's talk. As a business owner, your time is your most valuable asset. You need to spend that time working on your business, not in your business. That means focusing on strategy, sales, serving your customers. It does not mean spending hours each week hunched over a spreadsheet trying to reconcile your bank accounts. This is where professional bookkeeping comes in. Delegating your bookkeeping to an expert is one of the smartest investments you can make. It frees up your time and mental energy to focus on growing your company. A professional bookkeeper does much more than just data entry. They provide the accuracy that is fundamental to all your financial decisions. They ensure that every transaction is categorized correctly in a system like QuickBooks. This clean, reliable data is the foundation for your budget, forecast, tax planning. Without accuracy, your financial reports are meaningless. They can mislead you into making poor decisions that hurt your growth. A professional bookkeeper is your guardian of financial truth, ensuring the numbers you rely on are correct. Modern bookkeeping services, like those offered by FSMC Bookkeeping, often operate remotely. This is a huge advantage for small businesses. You get access to top-tier talent without having to provide office space or equipment. Using cloud-based software like QuickBooks Online, your remote bookkeeper can access your financials securely, keep your books updated in real time, provide you with reports whenever you need them. It is an efficient, cost-effective way to get expert help. This kind of partnership brings big business financial discipline to your small business. The insights you gain from professional bookkeeping are a game changer. A good bookkeeper will not just send you reports, they will help you understand them. They can point out trends, highlight areas where you are overspending, help you track your profitability by product or service. As one of FSMC's clients stated, their expert team ensures accuracy and efficiency, allowing us to focus on growth. This is the goal. It is about transforming your financial data from a confusing jumble of numbers into a clear roadmap that guides your path to success and sustained growth. Are you ready to take control of your finances and unlock your business's full potential? Don't let disorganized books hold you back any longer. Partner with an expert who can provide the clarity and confidence you need to make smarter, more profitable decisions. You did not start your business to become an expert in accounting. You started it to pursue a vision. To achieve that vision, you need the right people in your corner. Building a successful business is a team sport. Your financial team is one of your most important players. You need more than just a service that crunches numbers. You need a true partnership with experts committed to your success. Provides not just data, provides wisdom, provides peace of mind. It is the key to scaling with confidence. At FSMC Bookkeeping Services, we understand this. Our mission: do more than keep your books organized. We aim to be a trusted partner in your journey. We provide financial clarity and accuracy to make bold, smart decisions. QuickBooks bookkeeping, payroll management, tax preparation, financial consulting, comprehensive support for growing businesses. We handle the financial details so you can lead your team and serve your customers. The results speak for themselves. Our clients get more time, less stress, a clearer financial future. FSMC has been instrumental in keeping our finances in order. Peace of mind from a financial house in order. Confidence from an accurate budget and realistic forecast. Power from knowing your numbers and driving intentional growth. Ready to stop worrying about finances and focus on growth? Start a conversation with us. Let us show you how a dedicated partnership can transform your business. We will help you build a solid budget, gain control of your cash flow, ensure accurate financial data. Let's build a stronger, more profitable business. Your dream is worth it. Invest in a partnership that helps you achieve it. Choose clarity. Choose accuracy. Choose confident growth. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.